Now last erosion is mainly by wind. So let's understand wind erosion. Okay. Previous types of erosion which we had discussed, like sheet erosion, like gully erosion, rill erosion, stream bank erosion, shore erosion, they all were the erosion done by the flowing water. Okay, done by the water. Now we are going to talk about wind erosion. So wind erosion is mainly taking place in the desert or semi-desert areas. Wind is the most powerful agent of erosion in desert areas, and mainly in the desert and semi-desert areas wind erosion took place, where there is a little rainfall and less vegetation. We all know desert or semi-desert area, due to very high temperature, very little rainfall, there is very scarce vegetation cover or sometimes no vegetation cover also. So rainfall is very low, sometimes no rainfall, and vegetation is very less, sometimes no vegetation also. So in such areas, in such climatic condition, erosional activity which took place known as wind erosion. Okay, so wind erosion, in which winds blow away the fine particles of sand, deposit them in other areas, thus turn both the areas unproductive. You can see here I am showing you one picture. In this picture you can see there is a presence of sand. This is a desert area, picture of desert area, and you can see because no vegetation is there, no moisture, means no rain, very little rain or no moisture is there, so area is very dry. So in such dry areas with no vegetation cover, when wind blow in such areas, because there is no hindrance, so wind blow with so much speed, and when winds blow, they carry particles, sand particle, other particles from one place and deposit somewhere else. So at one place depressions are formed, hollow area is formed, and winds deposit those elements in some other areas. So in such areas sand dunes are formed. Okay, in mainly in desert and semi-desert areas, when winds blow, they blow with so much speed because of no vegetation cover, no other obstacles. Okay, so the speed is so much, when they blow they carry particles, sand particles, dust particles from one place and deposit somewhere else. So from where they carry particles, hollow is formed. Okay, erosion is taking place in such areas, and wherever it is depositing, there a new landform like sand dunes or other features are formed. So that is called wind erosion. Mainly this is predominant in the desert and semi-desert areas. Okay, I hope you understand.